Good morning. All right, so today is our free Friday. So I'm going to put in the chat if there is a particular stock you would like me to give you my opinion on. Put in the chat. All right. So let's get that going. All right. 2 seconds. Today I have to run. I've got to get my kiddos to camp on time. So let's get into it. Good morning. All right. Let's clean this up. Good morning, Troy. All right. Troy, what do you think? I'm thinking about maybe setting up the recordings also on Buy Me Coffee so that people can go there. They could have a subscription there. Do you like the video better than the watch list in print? What are your thoughts on that? Snow, you got it. No problem. I'll check it out. That was on my list yesterday or 2 days ago. I see you use it. You use it in the future, don't you? What do you like personally better? Video or the hard copy? All right. So I just did the limits. You know, I might take this out of my daily routine, but it's always good to have. Right? We haven't had to use them since 2020. It's been 3 years, but I still prep every day. It's like an umbrella, right? That one day that you don't prep, that's when you're going to need it. All right. Let's just get rid of all of these. All right. And I'll go with this and save it. Can't believe it's the 25th of August already. All right, let's go to Fear and Greed up here. We also have, so the iRobot had their preliminary, definitely watch iRobot. This is one that's on my radar. If the merger is completed, you will be entitled to receive $51.75 in cash. And for each share of iRobot that you own immediately prior to the time at which the merger will be effective. So right now, iRobot is at 37.05, right? So it's at 37.05 right here. So 37.05, and we look at this is 51. That's roughly 15%. This is a preliminary proxy statement, which I learned something yesterday. I was looking at it, I was like, what's the date for it? So here is the actual proxy statement. So let's check this out. Quick. This might be, okay, August 4th, 2022. On July 24th, the company entered into amendment to the agreement on October 12th at 8:30. So, little options for the price to be at $51.75 or 51 on October 13th, 14th, 15th. Let's see. What is the schedule? Oops, sorry if I caught the mic. And so October 12th, at which time the merger, if the merger is completed. Good morning, Brenda. So I was checking this out because I saw the preliminary. So October 12th is the meeting. So that means October 13th, which is a Friday, they will know, and the merger will be $51.75 in cash. So right now that's at a premium, right? So where we are now, how come it's saying 32.02 over here, and right here it's saying 37.05? There's something. Oh, that's Tootsie Roll. That's why. Different stock. Gotcha. All right. So we want to see iRobot. So 3705. So this looks like this could have nice potential. That might be an option, lottery option for out of the money. Looking at that with the preliminary, with the proxy statement. I don't know why they would vote against it, a merger, but they do have to petition the shareholders. All right, just a quick side note on that. Might be able to gain 50% over the next couple of months on that easy potential option trade as well. All right. Hey, my other one, the limit one, didn't show up there. Let me do the limits again. Not that many people know about what? That proxy statement. I was curious, so I did some research and I saw that on the 14th they issued the preliminary one, and that on which meant that the 24th they had to release, 10 days later they had to release the official one, and sure enough it has the date in there. The preliminary did not have the date, and so I was looking for that to see, but there's a good chance, I don't see why the shareholders would vote against it. I think it would make sense, especially when it's at a deficit now. Look at all the announcements today. It's going to be a volatile day. Get ready. It's going to be good. It looks like a good day with all of these announcements. We do have Fed Chairman Powell, Harker, probably at the Jackson Hole Symposium. The red means, hey, pay attention. This could move the market, right? And then we have Lagarde, probably at Jackson Hole Symposium as well. Oh, I already saved it. Perfect. All right. So let's go over here. Let's go. All right. We got the SPY up. And let's pull this up over here. Just grabbing the screen for us. Boom. Done. All right. So volume is not sorted properly. So weird. I feel like I have computer gremlins. It is Mercury in retrograde. That does happen, right? Where the computer does a mind of its own. eBay. All right, there's eBay for us. FXI. McDonald's is up. A little pricey there. Google. I will add Google on. Apple. XLF is on. That's quite interesting. The bank ETF. Amazon. I'm watching Amazon. Got stopped out of my NVIDIA yesterday. My Tesla swing trade. So we will put Tesla on there. Looks like it was a bear flag. AMD, Marvell Technologies down 4%. We will add that on. And Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto. I've never heard of that before, but it's moving today, down 30%. So we will add that. It is lower float with 32 million. So that is something to consider if you are going short. And we've got HTHT. Let's see, HKD, AMTD Digital. Hershey's is on there, but not moving just yet. KVU, not going to put that on. All right, HE, Hawaiian Electronics. Uh-oh. Yeah, NVIDIA, you got to take the gifts. Take the gifts, right? All right, let's bring back no peekaboo, Brenda. No peekaboo today. So Hawaiian Electronics, we had that dreaded H. They brought it down. Look, here, let's do this. I have a suspect feeling that it's going to bounce now. We had this crazy wick over here on dividend day. They have reached that. And now maybe it's time for some volume to come in and move to the upside. Let's put this up here. All right. I just want to see something quick. Good morning, everyone. So welcome if you are a new person checking out my channel. Please hit the like, subscribe, Turn on notifications. I was away on vacation for 2 weeks, so the channel was a bit more quiet as I was 5 hours ahead in Scotland and out doing things. I was out living life, but now I am back. Kids go back to school, getting back on my schedule. We will be rocking and rolling. If you have something like Troy wants to check out snow, we will check it out. Let me just get through the list quick. And don't say if I already saved it. And I also want to know, would you guys like something on Buy Me a Coffee where I can put together the video and the list for you guys to check it out so that you can have it all together in one location. Domo here is going to be on that caution list. It is moving. I will add it, but caution, this is low float. Right? Don't be shy. I won't bite. I promise you, you are going to have a great day today, if you believe it, right? What can you control? Hey, Brenda, Troy, what can you control as a trader? What can you control? You guys are being quiet. You don't want to put anything in chat? So Domo is earnings. You'd be good with the coffee site? Okay, cool. So what can you control with the market? Exactly. You can only control yourself. So the more that you practice your entries and exits, the better a trader you will be, right? It's not only about the money. It's more about the trading, practicing entries and exits. So you can see here on the right as well, Dark Pools Training Pit. I also teach in the Training Pit as well. And we help traders learn about trading around the dark pool. And we help traders become better, right? Battle some of that psychological stuff. I just was teaching about mindset in trading yesterday. So that's where it's overflowing today. Everybody can be whatever they want to be, right? What made you different as a baby, brand new, being born, than billionaires? It's your mindset. How bad do you want something? So 54.40 and 55.40, 8.52. The world is your oyster. Create it as you want. Take steps to make that happen. It won't come easy, but it's worth it. Whatever you want, you got it. If you hate your job, oh, there's a song. I will do a little free lib, right? There's this song. It's called Vacation by, hold on, let me look it up. I can't play the whole song because then the copyright stuff goes off. What is this? I don't want software on my phone trying to get me to update stuff. No, I don't want my summer recap. It's annoying. It is, nope, not that. Not sleeping music. Vacation by Dirty Heads. I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation. I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation. And then it talks about, like, if you don't love yours, then change it. Change your future. You are in control of your future. You don't like your job? Find a new one. Don't be stuck. It's not always fun. Sometimes it's a little scary. Sometimes it takes you out of your comfort zone. Like learning to be a trader could take you out of your comfort zone, but it's worth it. All right, so AMD came down to the 161. I talked about this on Angela Miles on Business First AM. I talked about the 161 when Apple bounced off of it. Here we go. We see AMD is bouncing right now on the 161 on the daily chart. Is it going to hold as support, or are sellers going to take over? The chart is telling us that story of who is winning the battle of the buyers and the sellers. The big volume spikes tell you who is winning the battle of the buyers or the sellers, right? I also use the point of control on my charts. That's this yellow line, right? So it moves. I want to see what's happening today. This is what's going on today. Right now, that point of control is at 101.40. Roger loves AMD. So if it goes below 101, hey, potential short, probably a nice little target down here at 99.17. If we go above, probably a nice little target up here at 104.12. Let's see where it goes today. Prepared any direction. The market is going to do what it's going to do, and you are in control of you and your trades. Know your entries and your exits before you get in. Whether it's a profit or a stop, know the exits. All right. So Tesla, yeah, should have locked up here, but I was busy living life with my kiddos. All right. Yes, I want to delete that, and I'm going to take this off. Yep, delete that. I'm out of the trade. I did have this on over here to see, point of control. Also, anchored VWAP. It is testing the anchored VWAP from the day that I got in, but right now I need proof. To me, this looks like a bear flag. Boom. If we go below, likely a bigger move to the downside. Even though we're at the bottom of the channel, locked a little profit. Am I frustrated, upset? No. I followed my trading plan, and I was busy living life with my kiddos. Could I have locked in more profit? Yeah. You always coulda, shoulda, woulda, but the mental game of trading, don't be greedy. Be happy with what you get. It's like with my kids. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit. How many traders do you know that throw fits, right? You guys are being quiet in the chat. Why are you so quiet? Did nobody have coffee this morning? So not only are we traders, but Brenda, who's here, Brenda put in the link for your artwork so people can check out your cool artwork. She is an artist as well. You got to go to your Instagram, grab your link, and put it in. All right, so that's Tesla. Let's check on Amazon. I liked Amazon if it could close up above. You throw fits? No, you don't, Brenda. I don't think you do. I think your birds throw fits. Brenda has parrots that act like children sometimes. All right, so 132.80. Looks like we are in a downward trend right now for Amazon on our daily, and if we break above 132.80, potential target up over here, 133.50. If we continue down, first target to the downside, 131.20, and then on down over here, 130.50, and then to 130. No fits? You're over the fits, Troy. It sounds like some sort of disease. It's the trader's disease of the fits. So if we look at this here, we've been in this nice upward trend. We just broke down, right? If the 129, 130, 129.80 area gives way, I'd watch for Amazon to pull back to 119.60. We do have Labor Day weekend coming up, not this weekend, but next. And that could affect people. Many times we will see the market pick up after Labor Day. People are going on vacation. They step away. I also liked Apple, but it hit the 28 exponential moving average and was not able to hold. So a lot of things came up, hit this. We had this bear flag motion, leg 1, 2, leg 3 could be setting up confirmation when we really break below 172.50. And if this support resistance does not hold as resistance, then maybe we're going to move to the upside, setting a higher low. So we could be setting up for, there's two different things I see right now. I see this potential, and I also see this potential. So where are we going to go from here? I'm going to leave that on actually. It's a little busy at the moment, but I want to see who is going to win the battle. It's going to be the buyers or the sellers. I see the potential for either direction. Put up here at 177.60. There is a little 20-cent potential move there, but I want to give you guys more than that and below 177. Excuse me, 176.60. Point of control is at 177. Try to always look for the reason not to get in and what's going on. Well, we could, this is a nice, actually a nice diamond, right? Diamond reversals tend to be 76% at the top and about 26 at the bottom. So let's see, but that's pretty cool. I did draw a diamond. Okay, so we will see where we go from here. The two potential outcomes. Could be a good butterfly scenario too if you guys are going out, where you think it could end up. Different wings. Oops, save. As well. I just did it. All right, the Googs. Let's check out the Google. The Google is bouncing off of the 15 exponential, whereas Tesla was using the 15 exponential as resistance. All right, 192.60 and 130.20, which is also just above our 4 EMA over here. And we have 129, what did I say, 192, sorry. We're going to put this down to 129.50. And the reason why I'm dropping it lower is because of that 15 exponential right here at 54. So 129.50 and 130.20. So every day I start off by building the list and then I do the indexes. We also check out the fear and greed indicator. All right, eBay has broken down. We're going to get rid of this one. Or maybe we will adjust it over here. There we go. And we check out fear and greed. We check out the announcements for the day to see how much volatility there will be. Like Monday, no announcements. All right, so eBay had bigger volume today, but not that big of a movement. Put it here at 43.40 and on up. I'm going to move it up to 43.80 right here. 43.80 move to 43.92, 44. That target for today would be 44.14. Uh-oh, I hear my kiddos going crazy in the house. It's really cute. They start talking charts. They see a chart Mommy, it's going up. Mommy, it's going down. My 6-year-old. It's really cute. Longer term trend she's looking at. But she's seeing it. She's starting to take it in and note it. And I see, Mommy, I see this. Mommy, I see that. Which is cool. So this looks like we have a bit of consolidation here. Moving up, maybe we have this bearish engulfing, but it didn't break below. So if it breaks below 32.80, watch for it down to 32.40 and then down to 32. Or if we go above, potential move to 33.20. I would check here, 33.23, 28, 40, and 60. All right, so point of control is hanging out here at 33. Let's move this down to 92, 32.92, and 33.12. Looks like this small consolidation area is going to lend itself to bigger volatility today. We have bigger volume. Ooh, look at that. We came back down to a consolidation area here as well. So that looks like support has really held on. All right, here we go. Oops, wrong one. Let's do the Dow. Let me check out snow for you quick, Troy. All right, so Troy has snow. Look at that short. Nice one. So it looks like we have a little bit of a trend line setting up there for support. I don't know if you are long or short, but if it goes below 147.40, would look for a potential further move down. Might just be happening right at open or 148 to the upside. Yeah, my pleasure. All right, let's go on over to the Dow. So Dow, big bearish engulfing, retracement now potentially up to 343.15. Let's see here. What are we looking at? 341.92. Look at that. Isn't that cool when it does that? 341.92. And I'm going to put it up here at 343. All right, the Russell. Go from 4 a.m. All right, 183.92. We need this down here. Oh, my kids are running around. I hear them being rascals. 184.60. All right, the Qs. Excuse me. Peloton. Okay, we'll check it out, Brenda. Oops, I meant to move the line, not the whole chart. 361.20. And up here, 362.60. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to rock on through because I gotta get my kids to camp. All right, SPY, quick. Big bearish day yesterday. All right, yeah, that was me moving it. 437.80. And 439.20. All right, let's do Peloton quick. Before I do that, let me take a quick shot of you too, Troy. Have a great one. All right, so here is the list for today. I'm just going to upload it quick to my website. All right, let's get this. You can take a screenshot if you'd like. The yellow means, hey, caution, this is going to move very quickly and it could really move dramatically one direction or the other. All right, so let's look at Peloton for Brenda. So Peloton, let's see here, 560. I don't know when you went short, Brenda, but let's see, pas bon maintenant. All right, 566 and 550. It looks like some volume and support came in around 544 over here. All right, so have an amazing trading day. Carpe profit, seize those profits one trade at a time. Would love to see you in the morning. Thanks so much for joining me. Have an amazing day and a spectacular weekend. See you soon. Bye.